After last week, I'm a little bit disappointed.
When Simon said he was disappointed, it felt like I had ruined my chances.
This was a little bit copycat.
Cheryl just reassured me that everything was okay, and it really gave me that boost to just carry on and basically keep my chin up. Being here, it feels as if I'm in my own little bubble. Months ago, I remember sitting down with my dad, and we were talking about different jobs that I could get, you know, working in a shop, a supermarket. Although those jobs are fine, I would have never enjoyed myself as much as I am enjoying myself now. This is what I've always wanted, and I won't let go. It's been a really hectic week this week. We got to walk the red carpet. It was amazing.
Madness, absolute madness. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just going to roll with it anyway. The lights were just flashing in my face. I actually couldn't see. This is the most important I've ever felt in my life. I feel like a somebody now.
This week we've had to do something really clever for Cher, and I think we've cracked it.
It's not going to be all the drama behind me. No fuss.
It's just her on the stage, and I like that about her. She's brave.
This is a really big competition. My eye is on the prize. What's the point of being in it if you don't want to win it?
Cher Lloyd.
What I gotta do to make you want me? What have I gotta do to be heard? What do I say when it's all over, baby? And sorry seems to be the hardest word. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad situation, and it's getting more and more absurd. It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me, sorry seems to be the hardest word. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's gonna hold you through the night. I know mom is not here right now. We don't know why. We feel how we feel inside, and they seem a little crazy, pretty baby. But I promise mama's gonna be alright. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see your eyes deep inside, you wanna cry, 'cause you're scared. I ain't there, no more crying, wipe them tears. No more crying, wipe them tears. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. Oh, it seems to me, sorry seems to be the hardest word. Sorry seems to be the hardest word.
Cher, you know what? That absolutely worked. Picking one of Elton's brilliant songs and putting with Eminem, Mockingbird. It was very, very clever, and it so works. I know you're a little diva in the making, like this one here, but you know what? It so worked tonight. Absolutely brilliant.
Cher, I loved it. I think you've hit your stride now. You're more comfortable, you're more relaxed on stage. I actually really like the singing bit. I wish there was more of that and a little less of the rapping tonight, because I think you've really gotten to your comfort zone now. Thank you.
Cher, you know, I wasn't that crazy about last week, and I'm always going to be honest with you. I think after that, you are 100% back in the game. Loved it. And you know what? It sounded like a record. I actually disagree. I loved the middle section of the song. It made it less Louis karaoke. And you know what I was very impressed with you is the fact that you were so down after getting criticism last week. Shows that you're not cocky. You actually take criticism, you handle it well, you're focused, you're ambitious, I think you did absolutely fantastic.
Thank you. Do you know what? It's sometimes with your stage presence and your sometimes pretending confidence, it's easy to forget that you're 17, and sometimes you just need a bit of support and reassurance. And reassure yourself from the comments tonight, you are a little star in the making, Cher, and I'm privileged to be working alongside you.